Excuse me? Would you mind if I ask you 3 honest questions, please?
Sure.
Do you think I'm attractive?
I guess so. I mean, you're alright.
I'm alright, wow. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, why?
Why? This is kind of awkward, but, what would you excuse not to kiss me right now? What would it be? What? Excuse me, beautiful. Can I ask you a couple questions?
What? You want to ask me questions?
Yes. Do you have a boyfriend?
What?
Do you have a boyfriend?
I have a boyfriend.
You have
I mean, not really. We're just dating.
What is that supposed to mean? Anyway, do you think I'm attractive?
I don't know. Yeah, sure, I guess.
Well, what's your excuse not to kiss me?
My excuse not to kiss you? No. You're crazy.
What? Come here. I know you like it. May I ask you 3 questions?
Sure.
Yeah, it's kind of awkward, but do you think I'm attractive?
Yeah.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, what?
Come here, stop. What would you excuse not to kiss me right now?
To kiss you?
Yeah. Come here. What's up? What's that you cutie like you doing by yourself?
Hi, I'm here waiting for my girlfriend.
Oh, where's your girlfriend?
She's on her way over here.
Okay. May I ask you 3 questions?
Depends on what it is.
What do you mean depends on what? Do you have a boyfriend?
I don't.
You don't. Well, that's good. Do you think I'm attractive? I'm sorry, it's kind of awkward, but.
Yeah, you're attractive. You're alright.
I'm alright. Well, what would your excuse not to kiss me right now? What would it be?
Depends if you're a good kisser.
So, am I a good kisser?
That was good.
Yeah, that's what my sister told me last night. Hi, excuse me, is this your daughter? I just got 1 million subscribers, and like, I don't care if, I don't care if you think I'm attractive or whatnot, and I'm just.
What?